gonna make some more cookies today. This time we're gonna be making a gingerbread crackle cookie. It's one of my favorites. It looks a lot like the Mexican wedding cookies, but it actually crackles as it bakes. We're gonna use some of my lavender leftovers, but to this we are going to add ginger snap cookies, and I need to make it like almost black. So we're going to add a little bit of charcoal, and we're also going to add a little bit of cocoa powder for color. So let's start with the cocoa powder. Maybe if I can get the lid off. That's what I'm using. I'm using a Dutch cocoa. Just grab, I always put things away, the charcoal again. Now I don't think we're going to need that much of it, but I will hold some in reserve just in case. I don't want to overdo it with this one because I just don't want to. Now we're just going to use about a tablespoon of water in this, maybe a teaspoon. Just a wee bit more. So it's about a teaspoon of water in there, and I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to go microwave it for 1 minute and bring it right back. Alrighty, this just came out of the microwave after a minute. And maybe it needs just a little more water. This is pretty dry stuff. I think the color might be just fine once we work it. But I'm going to give it just a little more. It like needs to be browner. Maybe I'll grab some of that mica. Hold on. Brown mica wa'aya. I've got chocolate brown from Candora's soap here. And that should be perfect. I can get it mixed in good. We're just going to add a little more. I'm going to add the water with a little alcohol. Okay. Put it in the microwave. We'll add a little bit of water. We have more water. It's really dry stuff. All right, that's more like it. That's like what we're looking for. So I'm going to mush this. So we don't need that. Let's put it back in here. I will, however, use this spoon because the spoon's a little better at mashing things. We're going to give it a good mash. Mash, mash, mash. Now this cookie, I just realized I'm doing something one of my favorite YouTubers does with her stuff. She recreates things in cake. I'm recreating my favorite things in soap. Oh. So I will be adding keto recipes wherever I can find them. But it's easy enough to substitute in things like your sugar if you just want to go sugar-free. Alright, so that's about where I want it. It doesn't have to be perfectly brown, but it's a nice brown because the brown needs to shine through. And so what we're going to do, I've got a little sheet here. Okay, good. It's not going to go anywhere. Scoop, Scoop, where are you? Okay, so we're going to scoop Now, like the Mexican wedding cookies, we're going to coat them with starch. Oops. But unlike those, we don't want, you know, you don't have to be all that exact. And if you guys want to share recipes in the comments below, go right ahead. That would be super awesome. Share your favorite version of these recipes or any other Christmas cookies that you find are wonderful this time of year. Share your favorite recipes. I'd love, love, love to add them to my own collection or try them out even. That would be so super awesome. All right, so we're just going to do the last one. Now, when these bake, they crackle, okay? And so we're going to try to get that effect using this. Oh yeah, baby. Looks just like that cookie. I wanted that crackle. You see that? This is what your cookies should look like when they bake. Hopefully. There we go, guys. Crackle cookies. I'm going to pick up the least perfect one and show it to you. But they should crackle like that. Here's a pretty one. Pretty perfect, pretty perfect. I'm so happy. These are the best cookies. My sister-in-law gave me the recipe, Shannon, and I think it was from the American Test Kitchen collection that you used to get every month. But it's because I remember it was on a card. So I'm going to bind it and put it down there. I'm pretty sure I wrote it down as well. It's one of our family favorites. It's a ginger cookie, and it's dark like this. It's got lots of spices in it. Super, super cute. So I hope you enjoy the recipes. Click like and subscribe. Share a recipe if you want. There's lots of room in my comments. You don't have to worry about that. We'll see y'all next time. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe and consider coming back again. I would love to have you as part of my soapy crew. Bye for now, guys.